Hey, this is Chad with Pro Investors Blog. Just want to update you on a few things. A week ago, we started trying to do some pay-per-clicks, and it was a total bust. We hooked up with Google AdWords. We used about 250 keywords for a realty company we were trying to drive business to. And what's terrible is the click-through ratio was great. So the people were clicking from our site, so the landing page was fine because they were going to our affiliate, but there were just no leads, no signups, no sales. So we killed that. Second thing, positive, is the Rubicon project. I recently did an article about the Rubicon project. It's really awesome. We've seen an increase in our pay-per-click, and they basically take about over 300 different ad companies, and they will try and get you the highest click money per click out of all of them, so that you don't have to try and put 50,000 banners from 50 different companies on your site. They just automatically try and get you the highest paying one. We've had great success with them. It's really worth checking it out. So go to our website and look at the Rubicon Project blog. And the third thing is, we want to talk about Stumble and Dig. It's very important that you're using them. Build up your friends list. Get on Gtalk or something like that, and get some friends that you can help them out as much as possible. And in return, they'll visit your site. They'll stumble your stuff, and you'll build relationships, and it'll also increase the traffic to your blog. That's it for now. See you next time.